This course is a very easy step-by-step way to learn how to meditate. The type of meditation we're going to do is a breath-focused meditation, and it's suitable for everybody. And gradually over the 30 days, you'll notice that the gaps between the thoughts start to become a little bit bigger. And your awareness then is able to rest in those gaps between the thought. This practice is suitable for all ages. Shanti here is 9 years of age, and she has been practicing every day for about 2 weeks now. And at the end of the practice, you will be able to continue every single day yourself. This is an unusual course in that we're mainly going to be experiencing the practice right from day one. And each day you'll get a little chunk of information that will help you deepen the practice as the month goes on. So if you have a look at the link in the description below, it'll tell you the different topics that I'll cover in this course. But they'll include things like guidance on how to sit, whether you're sitting cross-legged on a meditation posture, on a meditation stool, or possibly just on a straight-backed chair. It'll include information about how we breathe, what to do if incessant thoughts come into the mind, or a discomfort of the body comes in, or an urge to scratch. And the other really important thing we're going to deal with is motivation. Because even though the practice of meditation is quite easy, it's getting ourselves to meditate every single day. That can be a big challenge for people. And I'll introduce a few different tips and techniques that can help different people in different ways with this. I'll also give you tips on what time of the day to practice, how regular to practice, what to do immediately before your meditation practice, and also what to do immediately after your meditation practice. And it doesn't matter if your mind is full of incessant thoughts at the moment, or if you think you're not able for this practice. I will break it down in a step-by-step way so that it's suitable for everybody of all ages. And we look forward to seeing you joining us on the month-long meditation course. And all the information is at the link below. Thank you.